Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update. Alright, so let's get into it and let's dive into it. So I do see one thing with Solana that actually is mirroring Bitcoin at this point of time, and let me tell you what's going on over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna open up Solana in a different exchange just for reference, and let's open it up at Coinbase. Let's open it on Coinbase exchange. So here we are, and I just wanted to have a very clear look. So here we are, and let me show you this pattern that actually people are not paying attention to, and volume is dropping very badly on Bitcoin as well. So what it's forming, and watch the Bitcoin update today, is nothing more than a continuation pattern known as bearish symmetrical triangle, which can break to the downside and continue to go even way more lower. Okay, so be very careful. And for reference, I just want to do a very quick Google here and write in a bearish symmetrical triangle pattern, and this is how it looks like. Okay, in a very practical example, when the prices are going down, the prices are trapped in a triangle like this, they move to the downside. So we actually switch into the line frame. You can already see it something like this, even in the line graph as well actually. So that's how they look like, and it's really risky to actually trade it. So if you need even way more other different examples, we could have something like this one, and you can see even in this example we had symmetrical triangle, which is bearish. You went to the downside, make a symmetrical triangle, and then boom, stop, broke out of it, and you continue to the downside, right? So the clues are there, the hints are there. You have it over here as well. So you have 1 2 3 4 and break to the downside, right? 1 2 3 4 and maybe break to the downside. Now it doesn't mean that you cannot break to the upside. If you start to break to the upside, you might fly all the way to the upside as well. So it's all about decision time here at the end of the apex. And that's it for today's update. If you guys want to learn more about these patterns, do check out my 18 hours of content where I go into the details of all of these things. And to pay with 29 bucks, you can get it for 29 bucks paying crypto. Message me on the Discord, join the Discord, message me there, and I'm going to tell you how to start. So that's it for today's update. Watch the contents and the outline of what you're about to learn. There's a video here explaining everything, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.